freeze the column heading. When I drag it down, it won't show the column heading, right? I want to see it, the what information is showing over here. So I need to freeze that column heading. So how to do it? It's very simple. First, I need to click below that column heading. Then I go to View tab. Then here I have one option, Freeze Panel. Then I click here and I freeze the top row. Then my work is done. The top row is freezed. So now I can see in the whole range for that column. So this is how you can freeze your column. As the same way, if you want to freeze your row, entire row, so go to that View tab, Freeze Panel. You can freeze the first column. Now it won't go. It will stay there only. You can see any information you want by freezing this column.